These orange pipe flows are produced by Nanjing DEERS for overseas client. A total of 200 sets. The OD is 1800 mm and length is 2200 mm. With our department efforts, the whole production process took within 20 days. Since our client urgently need these batch floaters to serve one of their large projects, we will ship them immediately. After BV agency completes all the inspection, hope to get feedback from customers soon. If you also need pipe flows, welcome to contact us. We can extend the diameter and the length according to your need.